Welcome to the deep dive. We're all about making tricky systems clear. And today, we're digging into efficiency, but in a really specific place. Teacher performance management, our goal, to kind of unpack how a smart tech solution can really change things for a school. We've got this fascinating project proposal from you about the Ethio-Japan Debre Marcos Secondary School. We're focusing on their journey, to streamline how they evaluate teachers.
Yeah, and what's really insightful, I think, is how the specifics at this particular school, Ethio Japan de Bebre Marcos, they actually tell a bigger story. It's about how managing information well can boost performance and just make things run smoother pretty much anywhere.
Okay, let's unpack that problem statement then.
Mm.
The school had this traditional paper based system for teacher evaluation. Sounds simple enough on the surface, maybe?
Well, yes and no. Simple idea, maybe, but the proposal makes it clear it was highly inefficient, very resource intensive.
Right, so what made it such a bottleneck? Why was the paper system so bad?
Well, the key thing was the delay. It led to really slow feedback, both for the teachers themselves and for the school management. And think about who was doing the evaluating. It wasn't just the director. You had students involved, even the parent teacher union, the PTU.
Wow, okay, so multiple inputs, all on paper.
Exactly. Which meant, a huge workload for those evaluators, plus finding specific data later or even just verifying something. It was incredibly difficult. It really held back any kind of real efficiency in managing teacher performance.
Okay, so faced with that paper chaos, what was the proposed fix?
They proposed a computerized system, specifically a web-based teacher efficiency information management system.
So not just digitizing the paper, but something more.
Oh yeah, much more. It's about complete automation of the evaluation process.
Okay, so what does that actually look like? What does the system do?
Well, it gives those evaluators, the director, students, the PTU, an online platform. They can log in and submit results remotely based on predefined checklists.
Right, so standardized input.
Precisely. And the really neat part is the real-time data compilation. Reports can be generated almost instantly for the director. And transparency is key here. Teachers can log in anytime, anywhere, see their own results.
That sounds like a big shift. Easy access for everyone involved.
A huge shift. And crucially, it also solves that data retrieval problem. Easy information storage, easy recall, and of course, backed up with proper security.
So they really thought about the whole life cycle of the information.
Absolutely. The proposal even detailed things like use case diagrams, sequence diagrams, class diagrams, deployment diagrams, even the database structure and a sample interface. Very thorough.
Okay, so let's talk impact. What did Ethio-Japan Debre Marcos Secondary School expect to gain from putting this system in place? What were the big wins they were hoping for?
Well, connecting it back to those original problems, the expected wins were pretty significant. First off, a massive reduction in paperwork. Obvious, maybe, but important.
Less paper, less manual handling.
Exactly. Which leads to the second point, a real improvement in data accuracy. Less manual entry means fewer human errors. And third, vastly improved timely access to that crucial information for everyone who needs it.
So it's not just about efficiency then. It sounds like it could actually change the dynamic of performance management itself.
That's the bigger picture, absolutely. This isn't just, saving trees or saving time, though it does that. It's about fostering more effective teacher performance management, making sure knowledge is actually understood and used where it counts. It enables faster feedback, fairer evaluations, more transparency. It helps teachers see where they can improve and helps management offer targeted support.
It really is striking, isn't it, how moving from paper to a well thought out digital system, even if it seems straightforward on the surface, can tackle these really complex, sort of interconnected problems. It's just a powerful example of how managing information strategically delivers real value.
It really is. And it makes you think, doesn't it? What kind of old-fashioned, maybe inefficient process exists in your own work or even your life? Something that could be genuinely transformed by a simple but well-designed information system. What hidden efficiencies are just sitting there waiting to be unlocked if we just rethink how the information flows.